तो आम प्रीवियस वीडियो देखते 1 कूलम व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन 1 कूलम that is a coulomb and state coulomb. Yes or no? Here is the coulomb is the SI unit of the charge and of coulomb state coulomb is the CGS unit of the charge. Now we can derive the relation between coulomb, F coulomb, state coulomb. Okay? 1 coulomb equal to 3 into 10 to the power 9 state coulomb. Similarly, 1 coulomb equal to 1 by 10 F coulomb. From equation 1 and 2, here see, from equation 1 and 2, the LHS are the equal. So similarly, we can write the RHS are also equal. So we can write 1 by 10 F coulomb equal to 3 into 10 to the power 9 state coulomb. So we can write F coulomb equal to 3 into 10 to the power 10 state coulomb. Yes or no? 1 F coulomb, what is the relation between, जदि तुमको कहीं पचारती व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन F coulomb and state coulomb, that is 1 F coulomb equal to 3 into 10 to the power 10 state coulomb. Okay, तुमर जमिति तुमर मास रे गोटे लार्जेस्ट यूनिट था दैट इज के ना केते टन हो कि नहीं हमें जनरली माने डे टू डे लाइफ रे हमें माने यूज करोला किलोग्राम हैला, किंतु जमती कौन लार्जेस्ट द यूनिट ऑफ द मास इज नोन एज टन. सिमिलरली हियर द biggest unit of the charge is known as, that is the Faraday. Okay, the biggest unit of the charge is known as Faraday. 1 Faraday equal to 96,500 coulomb. Okay, 1 Faraday equal to 96,500 coulomb. Similarly, the smallest unit of the charge is known as Franklin or state coulomb. We know the smallest unit of the charge is known as state coulomb or Franklin. The 1 state coulomb equal to how many coulomb? 1 state coulomb equal to 1 by 3 into 10 to the power 9 coulomb. So 1 coulomb equal to 3 into 10 to the power 9 state coulomb. Yes or no? Then we can derive now what is the relation what is the relation between the largest unit and the smallest unit of the charge. So here is the biggest unit of the charge is known as Faraday and the smallest unit of the charge is known as Franklin. That is the what is the relation between the Faraday and the Franklin. Now derive. One Faraday equal to 96,500 coulomb. Okay, and 1 coulomb equal to 3 into 10 to the power 9 state coulomb. So here we can write 1 Faraday equal to 96,500 into 1 coulomb and 96,500 into 3 into 10 to the power 9 state coulomb. 5 3 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15, 5 taken 1, 6 3 ja 18, 19, 18 19 9 1, 9 3 ja 27, 1 29, 29995 into 10 to the power 11 state coulomb. Okay, that is the relation between 1 Faraday and the 1 state coulomb. Sorry, 2895 into 10 to the power 11 state coulomb. Okay, that is the relation between the biggest unit and the smallest unit of the charge. Okay, then what is the definition of 1 coulomb? What is the definition of 1 coulomb? From the equation at first, we wrote a equation that is Q equal to IT. Yes or no? Here Q is the charge and I is the electric current and T is the time. Yes or no? The unit of charge is known as coulomb. The unit of I, that is current, is known as ampere, and the unit of time is known as, that is second. If that is 1 and that is 1, then that is also 1. Then 1 coulomb is the product of 1 ampere and 1 second. But theoretically, this can be told that if amount of charge required, that is amount of charge required to flow 1 ampere current for 1 second, amount of charge required to flow 1 ampere current in a unit area for 1 second, that is known as 1 coulomb. Yes or no? Amount of, that is what? That is amount of charge. केतबळे गुटे कूलम चार्ज हबो जेतबळे गुटे कंडक्टर रे 1 एम्पियर करंटा गुटे यूनिट एरिया रे 1 सेकंड पई फ्लो हबो सेटा होची कोन ना 1 कूलम चार्ज. दिस अमाउंट ऑफ चार्ज इज नोन एज 1 कूलम. आमको गुटे सेकंड रे गुटे यूनिट एरिया रे 1 एम्पियर करंट फ्लो करियार अछि. तो व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिक करंट? दैट इज द फ्लो ऑफ द चार्ज. से 1 एम्पियर पई जेतिकी अमाउंट ऑफ चार्ज रिक्वायर्ड हबो सेटा होची के ना 1 कूलम. देखो इट इज डिफाइंड एज amount of charge required to flow 1 ampere current through unit area for 1 second. 1 एम्पियर करेंटा 1 यूनिट एरिया रे 1 सेकेंड फ्लो होबा पई जेतिकी अमाउंट ऑफ चार्ज रिक्वायर्ड करे दैट इज नोन एज 1 कूलम. ओके, that is also one definition of the 1 coulomb. And the another definition of the 1 coulomb now we can discuss now we see some fundamental quantity of the matter that is known as electron, that is proton and neutron. Okay, what is electron? Electron is the intrinsic property. Okay, that is the intrinsic property of the matter. माने गोटे matter टाकू भांगी 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 लास्ट को जोटा पाइबो सेटा होची केना इलेक्ट्रॉन लाइक सो दैट इज नोन एज इंट्रिंसिक. ओके, one electron, the charge of an electron, one electron equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. That is के ना electron. एटा लाइक किए बाहर करथिले ना जे थॉमसन, साइंटिस्ट जे थॉमसन. ओके, similarly the mass of electron equal to 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Okay, that is the electron. Something about the electron. Electron is derived by J.J. Thomson, and the charge of the electron equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, and the mass of electron equal to 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. तुमको एवढा सब मन रखा पड़ो है कि दीज आर ऑल आर दी एक्सपेरिमेंटली. देन प्रोटॉन. प्रोटॉन टा के बाहर करथिले ना ई गोल्डस्टाइन. ई साइंटिस्ट ई गोल्डस्टाइन. प्रोटॉन नो चार्ज जेतिकी इलेक्ट्रॉन नो चार्ज सेतिकी, but charge of the electron is indicated by negative sign, but the proton of the charge is indicated by the plus sign. Okay, one proton charge of the proton equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Same magnitude, but here negative sign, here the plus sign. Okay, the mass of the proton equal to how much? That is 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Okay, that is the mass of the proton. Similarly, neutron. Acha, what is the charge of the electron? That is negatively charged. What is the charge of the proton? That is positively charged. And what is the charge of the neutron? That is neutral charge. Who is the scientist that can create the neutron? Okay, who? He is James Chadwick. Okay, James Chadwick. Here the neutron is the neutral charge. Then what is the charge of the neutron? The charge equal to 0, obviously. Why? The charge of the neutron is the neutral. Okay, then what is the mass? Mass equal to 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Okay, here देखो इटी the charge of the electron is equal to charge of the proton, and the mass of the mass of the proton is equal to the mass of the neutron. Okay,